I've got a 2017 BMW X6, which I need to replace the lower driver control arm, front lower control arm, driver side. So I gotta replace that. I'll just do a small video. So here's the car. Let's get it jacked up. The control arm is just right here. So let's just get it jacked up. Take the wheel off. There's only 2 bolts that we have to unscrew. Ball joint and then the bushing bolt. It should come right out and put a new one in. And I guess I can show you the new one. So here's the new one that I got. Let's open it up. Here it is. So all it has is a bolt that goes in here, and then a nut screws on here, and I think that should be it. So yeah, this bushing is bad on that one. I'll show you once I lift up the car. So we got the wheel off. This is the control arm I was talking about. If you look close, this bushing is bad. You can see it inside. But yeah, anyways, so let's get it off. There's a bolt right here, and then a nut right here. Take this nut out, take the bullet out. It should come out. Might have to hammer this out, but this should be all. All right, so we got this nut off. Here it is. So this is a 27 12 point, which is right here. I'll show you. So this is a 27 12 point. This is all you need. You don't need any special, because some forums I read said you need some special BMW bolt, but that worked pretty well. So now let's just get this bolt off. I think it's a 17, but I might have to take this off 8mm, lower it down so I have more access. And that should be all I need. And I can just unscrew it, take it out. Let's do it. Got this bolt out. It was a little pain because there's not much space here to get it out, but we hammered it out, came out. So now let's move on to the other one, to the ball joint, get it out. That should be all. Let's get it done. Got the control arm out. So if you look close, you'll see it's cracked in there, pretty bad in there. Everything's ripped. Same thing from this side. This is the new one. So looking much nicer. And then if you look at the ball joint, this one can't even move it. This one just wobbles around. Probably not a good thing, but oh well. So let's try to fit the new one on. The old one came out pretty hard, especially right here, because the axle is a bit in the way. But hopefully we can squeeze it in, so I don't have to remove the axle. But yeah, let's try putting it on. Pretty much same process, but reversed. So let's get it started. All right, I'll show you a life hack of how to install this control arm. So this is pretty simple. So this is where it goes, and the problem is that the axle, is in the way. But if you put the control arm down like this, you face this towards this all the way as much as you can. So it's facing right here. If you look from the side, it's facing down. So it's pretty simple, actually. So you come in from here, so the control arm is facing me. So you put it inside. Look at this. Oh, wait. Sorry, it goes under. My bad. Anyways, Put it under this, and then just slide it in. Slides pretty easy. Boom, boom, rotate, boom. That's it. Now it's in. Very easy. I messed with it quite a bit, but yeah, we got it in. So now let's put the nut on, get that bolt in, and get it installed. Screw it in, and get it going. Control arm is on and in, whatever you call it. Anyways, this bolt is tightened. This isn't yet. I'm gonna put the wheel on, lower the car, put it on the wheel, and then tighten it. So what happens is when people tighten it like this, it's stretched, and then they put on the wheel. This gets tightened, and then it squishes it because the car lowers down by a lot. And then that's how these bushings go bad faster. So the proper way to do it, get it just enough tight, and then put the wheel on, lower it down so the car sits on the wheel, and then tighten it up. And that'll last you much longer. So let's get the wheel on and lower the car and get it tightened. And then screw these little bolts in, get the plastic covers on. I just finished the BMW. I lowered the car, I tightened it, then lifted back up. Put the bolts on for the covers, lowered it back on. She's ready to go. I'm gonna go on a little test drive. Hopefully it doesn't make any squeaky noise. But yeah, everybody, thanks for watching. Peace.